These are the 5 moisturizers you need in your skincare routine this winters. So if you guys know me and have been following me for some time, you know that I love Bioderma as a brand, and this moisturizer Creme Ultra from Bioderma is something which I use every winter for around 5 to 6 years by now. This is a decent size. This is 200 ml for 699 Indian rupees. I think you get a lot of product. So let me show you the texture. So it is very lightweight, but at the same time gives you so much intense hydration. As you can see, within a minute, my skin has absorbed this product. It gives you the most beautiful sheen that you're looking for in a moisturizer. It's very hydrating, very nourishing, and my skin just loves it. My skin drinks this up. And it has niacinamide, omega-3 acids, and so much more. This is suitable for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a good moisturizer, this is the one to go for. If I have to choose one moisturizer for my entire life, this would be it. So as the winter approaches every year, I reach out for Bioderma because somehow my mind is wired in such a way that if it's winter, you need Bioderma in your routine. Definitely give it a try. Then comes my favorite moisturizer from drugstore. This is the Dot&key Ceramide Skin Repair Face Cream. This is something which I absolutely love. This is my third tube. My mother-in-law uses this one as well and she loves it. It works on her mature dry skin so well, and this has been a cult favorite for a reason. It works on all skin type. It's very affordable, 395 for 100 grams of product. It is fragrance free and the texture is very lightweight, so you need tiny amount to cover your entire face. This gives the most hydrated look. Sometimes where I don't feel like wearing a lot of makeup, this is the moisturizer I go for. It gives me really healthy glowing skin, as you can see, and this one is my favorite when it comes to ceramide cream. Now I know there are so many other big brands also out there which make ceramide cream, but this one is the most affordable and gives you the most glowing, hydrated, healthy looking skin in a really decent budget. It's really amazing, so good, works on all skin type. So the third moisturizer is a recent discovery of mine. This is the Physio Gel Daily Moisture Therapy Cream. Now this is something that I've started using this year in Feb. I've used this during my Dubai trip and you know how hot it was over there, but under makeup this moisturizer felt like a dream. It's really hydrating but at the same time does not clog your pores. Instead, it's very lightweight, very creamy, and a little goes a long way. I think I've been using it every other day until now. I have not been able to use even the half of the bottle. It costs 670 Indian rupees for 70 gram. So definitely give Physiogel a try. Really amazing, very affordable, and does the job. The fourth product is one of the hidden gem of Indian pharmaceuticals. I'm talking about none other than the Emolene. This is how the product looks like. This is something that so many of you have pinged me to talk about. Now this costs 346 Indian rupees for 100 grams of product. My combination skin loves this moisturizer so much. As you can see, the texture is very light, so it's not gel, it's not cream, but somewhere in between. It looks very hydrating, it feels very lightweight, non-irritating. So during the days when I don't feel like using a lot of products, I feel like using a minimal skincare, I go for a face wash, then I use this moisturizer, and that's it. It's just such a amazing moisturizer from the Indian pharmaceuticals. Even under makeup, this works really well. I've tried it once and my skin felt so smooth. Now, let me tell you, if you have oily skin, your skin might not love this. This is made for normal and dry skin. This is a very decent and an amazing moisturizer that I've tried. No complaints whatsoever. So, as you guys know, I love Korean skincare, and before my marriage, during the pre-bridal prep, I wanted to use a moisturizer which will give me the most amazing, beautiful, healthy, glowing bridal skin. And this was the one product that I was loving at that time. This is the Sulwhasoo Overnight Vitalizing Mask. This moisturizers give you the most amazing, revitalized, healthy, glowing skin. Now let me tell you, this is 120 ml of product which costs 3,600 Indian rupees. It is expensive, but trust me guys, this one gives you the most beautiful, glowing, healthy skin. Let me show you the texture. It smells like oranges and it's very herbal and very soothing aroma. It does not irritate me at all, but if you have irritation towards the aroma, definitely skip this. This moisturizer is the most amazing apt moisturizer for someone who's prepping herself for bridal look. Now I know this is expensive and some people would not prefer to buy it, but trust me, this is the one. If you're going for a very special day and you want to prep your skin 1 to 2 weeks or months before, this is the one to go for. Your skin will love it, and I've been using it for the past 3 years. I'm not finding any replacement of this one. There is no alternative. So definitely give it a try. Highly recommend.